In this video, I will show you how to get into the service mode of a GE dishwasher. I found at the bottom of this dishwasher, I believe it was in the valence panel in the little toe kick panel, this paper that shows how to get into service mode, how to check the test modes, what the error codes mean, and lots of other great information. So this video, I will go over the test modes and the error codes. So with the dishwasher in standby mode, cycle selection model, look for this one here, press and hold the cycle select and start simultaneously for 5 seconds. Start and select cycle. There we go. Okay, so if all the LEDs are on, it means everything's good. If LEDs are flashing, then it'll interpret as the door being open. So now to get it into test mode, press and hold that for 5 seconds. Okay. And now see the LED flashing here? That means 1, so you hit start, and that'll run the pump. That is the drain pump. Always runs the drain pump first in case there's actually water in it. Press start again to stop it. Then we hit select cycle, and now you should see 2 flashes. And so now when you hit start this time, it'll turn on the water to put water in. I actually have the water shut off on this one right now, so it's not actually going to add water. Press again to stop it. To turn on the circulation pump, press that again, and now you should see 3 flashes. Hit start. Now you can hear the circulation pump going. One little hint, if you added water on the previous mode and go straight to the circulation pump, you would now hear it washing the dishes. Okay, and turn it off. Next one, go to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now this time when you hit start, you won't hear anything. It's actually going to turn on the heater down there. So you can turn it on. This will only run for a maximum of 2 minutes. So you can turn it on, then open it up, you should see the heater lit up. And then number 5, press select again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hit start, and that would open up the detergent door. So again, 1 blink of the LED and then hit start, and that will be the drain pump. 2 blinks will be the water valve. 3 blinks will be the circulation pump. 4 blinks will be the heater, and then the when it does 5 blinks, it will be the detergent module. It'll open it up. Well, addendum to the LEDs here. If the start LED flashes, it'll be a communications failure. Your user interface is unable to communicate with machine control, bad wire, plug, or whatever. That's the start LED if that one's on, flashing. If the heated dry flashes, the minimum wash temperature of 120 degrees Fahrenheit was not reached within 3 of the past 5 wash cycles. If your wash boost LED is flashing, then you have a thermistor error. Control detected a short or open circuit of the thermistor. The clean LED is flashing. Turbidity sensor error. Control detecting a short or open circuit at the turbidity sensor. May also occur on models without a turbidity sensor. So it depends on what model you have that's valid. And lock will always be illuminated, or when it's always illuminated, that shows that the error code display mode is active. So there you go. This is going to be my last video for the GE dishwasher because it is dead. The circulation pump in the previous video went out, and they seem to be on back order right now, and they're about 150 bucks anyway, 100 to 150 bucks. So even if I could get it, I don't know if it'd be cost prohibitive to fix this specific dishwasher because I had a lot of problems with it. But anyway, this has been my last video, so thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please select like down there and subscribe to my channel. If you didn't like it,
well, subscribe to the channel, maybe you like the next one. Thank you for watching.